I'm very fortunate Xue Canzan just arrived after heavy traffic jam. And now put your hands together for Consulate Xue Hushen, okay?
Good afternoon, I'm Xue Hushen from Office of Science and Technology, Chinese Consulate in San Francisco. Very sorry I'm later today, because there is St. Patrick's Day this period in San Francisco. I left home and 1 hour later I got back to my home to find another way to here. Okay, as you know, cloud computing is a hot topic around the world, especially in Silicon Valley. US government released federal cloud computing strategy on February 2011, and the National Institute of Standards and Technology made a cloud computing standard roadmap on July 2011. From then on, US federal government spent more of IT budget on cloud computing. The result is cloud computing saves money for the government, just like the chart. China government also pays much attention to cloud computing. On the central government side, there are 4 plannings about cloud computing. The first one is medium and long-term plan of infrastructure construction for the Chinese major science and technology projects. The second is the decision made by the State Council on accelerating the fostering and the development of strategic emerging industries. The third is the 12 5-year plan on national scientific and technological development. That's from 2011 to 2015. The fourth is 12 5-year plan for the development of cloud computing in China. So every planning of these 4 plannings has many priority projects. But the common is they all have cloud computing section. For the first one, you can see the future network experiment infrastructure will be established in the next 18 years. It includes in cloud computing, Internet of Things, simulation of space-based information network, and cyber security, and high-performance integrated circuits, and quantum teleportation. For the accelerating and fostering and development of strategic emerging industries, there's similar about the network. It includes new generation information industry. Currently, China has formed a comparative advantage with regard to the development of emerging information industry. Judging from the demand of enhancing China's information industry, China should focus on constructing safe, comprehensive and popular infrastructure for information network, improving the integration of the 3 networks, just like television and internet and phone lines, and promoting the development, demonstration and application of the Internet of Things and cloud computing to enhance the development capacity of the core industries, such like integrated circuits, new display technology and high-end software. For a third one, the 12th five-year plan on national scientific and technology development. It includes next generation internet, new generation mobile communications, cloud computing, Internet of Things, intelligent network terminal, and high performance computing. Especially there is a China Cloud project and the five-year plan. We will form overall technical program and construction standards of China Cloud based on independent core technology, master the key technology of cloud computing and high performance computing. We will build a national platform for cloud computing, guide the department, localities and enterprises to form cloud computing platform with different size and different service models. Foster and develop the application and service industry of cloud computing. For cloud computing, the most recently we just released a plan for the development of cloud computing, especially for cloud computing. So the plan aims at the establishment of Chinese cloud computing technology system and standards and breakthroughs in key technology by 2015 in cloud computing equipment, core software, and supporting platforms. It also foresees R&D of cloud computing system and solutions and expects their large-scale application in due course. The plan also urges domestic companies to conduct demonstrations of those applications in selected regions and industries in order to achieve industrialization of cloud computing products and services. To foster cloud computing's development in China, the plan encourages diversified channels of investment and public-private partnership in R&D and innovation. International cooperation in this field will be enhanced, especially relevant laws to regulate this industry and protect IPR will be issued accordingly. So there are 5 cities in China to be demonstration cities, that is Beijing, Shanghai, Shenzhen, Hangzhou, and Wuxi. But except this, there are about 30 cities has a cloud computing project. The largest one I think is in Harbin. That's China Cloud Computing Valley. The package is about 50 square kilometers. So there are cloud computing industry ecological system in China, such like service provider and IDC and software provider and hardware manufacturer. I'd like to share some data with you. It indicates the cloud computing in China has a good future, I think. According to the data provided by CNIC at the end of last year, the internet user in China is 564 million. Mobile internet user is 420 million. Small and medium business internet user is about 78.5%. And microblog user, just like Twitter here, the user is 309 million. And the internet shopping customer is 242 million. It's huge. And it's very interesting. That is this famous internet shopping website is Taobao.com, just like maybe like Amazon or eBay here. last year the annual turnover of Taobao is 1,000 billion renminbi. It's huge, just about 5% of totally China annual turnover. And on the single day, November 11, it's a special day, just like Black Friday here. The one day turnover is 19.1 billion RMB. It's very huge, I think. So I think the market, the cloud computing market in China is very large. Just like the third one website is 12306.cn. It's the website for selling train tickets in China. On the day 2012, January 9, they got 1.4 billion visits. It's terrible. So with normal web server, they crashed many times. I think only cloud computing is the only solution for that.